I'm here at Frankfurt with Tom from Telmatronics. Tom, tell me about this amazing Groovetube.
Hi. Okay, this is it's basically a valve preamp that has got a plasma tube as the current source for the preamp, which means that you can control the plasma, change the noise the plasma makes, and that becomes combined with whatever signal you put in.
And these are proper tubes, they're not just lighting up for the sake of
These are not just lighting up. No, we need a few hundred volts to power the fluorescent, and these are ideal for regulating that kind of voltage.
Now, that's quite dangerous. You're talking about a really high voltage. Must have been a bit of a challenge working through there.
Yeah, I've got some experience working with much higher voltages, so that took the edge off for me. But yeah, you do need to have a bit of respect for it, definitely.
So what was the idea? Where does the inspiration come from?
So I've got some background in plasma science, and I like to muck around in the spare room, and I managed to get a fluorescent tube controlled like this, and it made some interesting noises, so we decided to make a synth, and this is as far as we've got.
And obviously we're in Germany. It's like Berlin being like the home of these modular synths and everything else.
Yeah.
This is a kind of perfect environment to be able to demonstrate the capability of this device. What's the feedback been like?
We've had the noise that the plasma makes is unconventional, to say the least, and it's very varied, and it's not to everyone's taste, so it kind of divides opinion, really. We've had some people who are massively enthusiastic, and other people who just basically screaming at us to turn it off.
Well, I was playing around with it, and what caught me is that it's fun. That was the thing it really is fun. You're able to modulate, you're able to do so much with it, and you get that kind of instant reaction.
That's right, it is good fun, and that is a large part of why we did it. We spent hours and hours mucking around with magnets and hearing the different sounds they could make, and we figured other people would probably want to as well.
So take me through step by step each one of these kind of rotary dials and what they're doing.
Sure. Okay, so most of the stuff on this panel is controlling the tube. We've got input section here so that this machine can work as a standalone synth, but we've got lots of ports that you probably can't see down the side, so it will plug into lots of other things as well. The main controls for the tube are the voltage here across it, and how much plasma these coils generate inside the tube. And this is critical because it means we've got independent control of plasma density and voltage, and that gives us a huge range of different plasma sound. And then these controls here, this is the input section. We've got a control for waveform that's sent in and the level. And we've also got a section here for an analog input, like you can plug a guitar in or another synth or whatever audio signal you want to plasmify, basically.
This is an experimenter's dream, really, isn't it? And what's this button do? I love little buttons
this
like
button, that. I call this the Max button after my friend Max, because he felt we really needed to have a button that just shuts it up, basically.
So Max doesn't shut up.
Well, no, he can shut up, but he was concerned that this didn't shut up, and I think he was right, really. So it's rather like on a DJ console or something, you can just cut the output.
Cut it out, yeah, okay, cool. Oh, so what's the plan for this? Because we were talking earlier, and you're thinking about making, like a base model, maybe getting some run rate, going that route. What's the plan?
The plan in the short term, I'm about to build up the first small batch of these, and I'm taking orders for more of those later in the year. The thing I'm really excited to get onto is to start developing our own tubes, because at the minute we've experimented with lots of different lighting fluorescents, and they all make different sounds. Some of them are really good, some of them are horrible. Some of them have got good aspects in one area, so we want to be able to design our own tubes that will look more beautiful and will be engineered to make interesting audio noise.
So where can people find out more information?
People can go to our website, telmatronics.co.uk. I've been basically recording what I've been doing so far on there, and it's got all the information about how the thing works, lots of early demos, and that will continually be updated with where we've got to with it, basically.
Lovely. Congratulations and good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.